Welcome to this video about Kenya. In this video, we'll explore the location, size, landscape, history, people, GDP, economy, and future prospects of this fascinating country in East Africa. We'll use the most up-to-date information and statistics to give you a comprehensive overview of what makes Kenya unique and significant. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of Kenya. Kenya is a country located in East Africa, bordered by Tanzania to the south, Uganda to the west, South Sudan to the northwest, Ethiopia to the north, Somalia to the east, and the Indian Ocean to the southeast. It has a land area of 582,646 square kilometers, making it the 48th largest country in the world. The landscape of Kenya is diverse, ranging from the snow-capped peaks of Mount Kenya to the arid deserts of the north. The country is also home to many national parks and wildlife reserves, including the famous Masai Mara National Reserve, which is known for its annual wildebeest migration. Kenya's history dates back to prehistoric times, with early human fossils discovered in the Turkana region. The country was later inhabited by various indigenous communities, including the Maasai, Kikuyu, and Luo. Kenya became a British protectorate in the late 19th century and gained independence in 1963. The people of Kenya are diverse, with over 40 different ethnic groups. The largest ethnic group is the Kikuyu, followed by the Luhya, Kalenjin, Luo, and Kamba. Swahili and English are the official languages of the country, although there are many other languages spoken throughout Kenya. Kenya has several major cities, each with its own unique character and attractions. Nairobi, the capital city, is the largest city in the economic and political hub of Kenya. It has a population of over 4 million people and is home to many international organizations, such as the United Nations and the World Bank. Nairobi is also known as the only capital city in the world with a national park. Kenya has a mixed economy with agriculture, manufacturing, and services as the main economic sectors. According to the World Bank, Kenya's GDP was $109.7 billion in 2020, and the country has a population of approximately 54 million people. The country's per capita income was $2,010 in 2020, making it a lower middle-income country. Kenya has made progress in recent years, with a growing middle class and an expanding service sector. The government has also invested in infrastructure development, including the construction of new highways and the expansion of the country's port facilities. However, Kenya still faces many challenges, including high levels of poverty, unemployment, and income inequality. Corruption is also a major issue in the country, with Kenya ranking 123rd out of 180 countries in Transparency International's 2021 Corruption Perceptions Index. In terms of economic sectors, agriculture is the largest employer, accounting for about 40% of the workforce. Kenya is a major producer of tea, coffee, and flowers, and also exports a significant amount of fresh produce. The manufacturing sector is relatively small but has been growing in recent years, with textiles, food processing, and construction materials being the main industries. The services sector is the fastest growing sector, driven by industries such as tourism, finance, and telecommunications. Kenya has experienced some notable successes in recent years. For example, the country has made significant progress in reducing maternal and child mortality rates, with a decline of 32% in maternal deaths and 45% in child deaths between 2010 and 2019. The country has also made progress in expanding access to education, with primary school enrollment rates reaching 99% in 2019. However, Kenya still faces many challenges, including high levels of poverty and unemployment, political instability during and after elections, and ethnic tensions. In addition, the country is vulnerable to climate change, with droughts and floods affecting agricultural production and livelihoods. Looking to the future, Kenya has the potential to continue its economic growth and development, particularly in the services sector. However, this will require continued investment in infrastructure, education, and healthcare, as well as efforts to tackle corruption and promote good governance. The country will also need to address the challenges posed by climate change, including through investments in renewable energy and
Nairobi is the capital city of Kenya and is known for its diverse cultures, beautiful landscapes, and bustling city life. If you are looking for a place to call home in Nairobi, it's essential to find a neighborhood that suits